everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you something really cool here. As you see in front of me, I have a package from T-Mobile. This is a new SIM card. As you can see, my service, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, my service is Sprint. As of June 30th, 2022, which is this year, I will not be able to use the service unless I swap out the SIM card to T-Mobile. They want everything that basically the consumer uses to be on T-Mobile. The Sprint network will be for something different. Or they're going to use Sprint as a management company. So I got this in the mail, as you can see. And it says unlock our bigger and better network. Let's just see inside. So let's see inside here. So if I open this up, basically your SIM card is like a network card for the network that you're attached to. So basically, this gives instructions for your phone to connect to a certain network. So if you pull this out like this, now check this out. This is really cool the way this opens up. Just like that. So the SIM card is here and you get this little tool. This comes with the iPhone. So I'm going to put that right there. And this is the SIM card. This is what tells your phone to connect to what network through the cellular card that's in there. So what I do is I just break it off like that. This is what it looks like. So I take that tool, and there's going to be a little hole here. It should be right there. Just give me a second to figure this out. Yep, that's it right there. So this should open it up. And I'm having a little bit of difficulty here. This one, unfortunately, has never been opened. There we go. Took a little bit, but I got it open. All right. So if you look at this way, there's only one way you can put the card in. Just like that. So I get rid of this. Oh, that's pretty cool. See, there's a big one and then there's a small one, and you just And there's even a smaller one. That's pretty interesting, which means that they made the scalable for each phone is what they did. So, there we go. So now I put it back in the phone. All right, so it's telling. Oh, wow. And just like that, I have T-Mobile service. But what they tell you to do is restart the phone, which I'm going to do, even though it seems to be working fine. Go to General. Go to Shutdown. Turn it off. Reboot the system. Now, as you saw, the phone connected to it instantly. Alright, so there's one thing I have to do. To get it going. So I got to see what that is. But it recognizes that it's there. So if I try to go on YouTube, it's not going to let me. But that's how you swap out a SIM card. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.